Hello, my name is Errol and I'm with Legends Realty, and today I'll be showing you the rental 2743 Atherton Drive in Orlando, Florida. This is a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom house with a 2-car garage, and hopefully you like it. Let's take a look. When you first walk in, you can see the foyer, as well as the big open living room, dining room, kitchen area as well. When you turn to the right, we have your laundry room. And then here's your first bedroom. This bedroom has a bathroom in it, but it's not the master. Over to the left, we'll go to the second guest bedroom. Kitchen with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, microwave oven combo over here. In the back of the house, we have your master bedroom. You have views of the lake back here. We have 2 walk-in closets in the master bedroom. We have a spacious one here, and then here's another spacious walk-in closet as well. And then here is your master bathroom. We have the toilet right over there in that room, and then we have granite countertops along with a walk-in shower and a bathtub. Let's go take a look at the backyard. These doors open up all the way, and then you can enjoy the breeze from the lake back here. Open patio. Okay, hopefully you like this property. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. Thank you very much. Have a good day.